How to access Zenphi's AI models. Zenphi offers different AI models that you can choose from to be able to extract information from different documents. To be able to access them, simply go to the AI Models section that you will see on the home page and click on Create Your First AI Models. Here you'll be able to see the 5 different types of models that we have available. The first one is the document OCR. This allows you to be able to extract text from documents. If it's printed text, you can choose from 200 languages. If it's handwritten text, there's 50 languages that you can choose from. We then have a form processor that allows you to extract information from structured documents, whether that be a PDF or a form. The next one we have is Invoice Parser, which, as the name implies, is for invoices. You can use this to be able to extract information like the invoice number, invoice amount, supplier name, etc. Then we have the Receipt Parser, which is for receipts. You can use it to extract things like the total amount, the tip, the supplier, etc. And last but not least, we have the Utility Bill Parser. You can use this for any types of bills, like for example, electricity, gas, telephone bills, etc. Once you've chosen the one that you think is best suited to help you, you're going to click on Create. It's going to ask you to upload a document. Simply click on Import and Process Document. And then you can easily use the Select tool to be able to select what you want to extract. Simply write the name. If the AI model detects any fields automatically, you'll see them appear here. If it's under selected fields, you'll be able to use those fields inside of your flow.